Ejuma ben na tell ya one we duane ama NDC for. One to bibi amfa nko NDC we headquarters. Yetua ne ka se ondidi atem keke. Intine dia ya ne se ondidi atem. Na oda so di san kwasiafo party we echi me koka na mwadwa. Moda so di sa ejimifo party ya friend NDC we echi. Party ya nyansa ya friend nyansa. Ye nim bi onto se Chini Jonas ebe chiro mu nyansa. Where ya party? Party ya tina ho se Chini Jonas party ya Magic Ghana o. Mutu wo se Chini Jonas na ebe bie wani where ya party? I am very proud of my country, Ghana. I love Ghana regardless of all our challenges. Because as we speak today, there are countries in Africa that uses the health facilities of Ghana. Nanka mumubi no muyen kurasifo ntimu nanka wutu kwan nanka wuko Ethiopia he ya kura kosho airport. Kosho Ethiopia airport. Ase ya bubu adaka bi ene ye de pempro bi aso na omaje ho ban. Look at the airport you have in Ghana. Then what do you people do? You bastardize everything because the own person di ade no enyo no neteso. Na ende me to amasem so no. I'm very sorry. Say me de kwase tail and start here. On we me ba no. I just saw some video be awaye. Or that's where you use tactics, no? Me bacho. And I make us say no ha. Say kwasiate la kase. Asante for any the problem of Ghana there. Then the HRS say Ghana belongs to Asantis. Please, nobody should come and think any different. I'm being honest here. See, Kevin Taylor. And then kwasiafo na again no. Say Obi, and again, I would like to emphasize this. According to Omo logic here, no. Ghana, ye friend Ghana no. Sebi, ye problem a ye wo ya santifo. Sebi mimi yo chini no kure. Me ma me ye fantini no kure. Me ka ho ye Ghana. Enti so Obi ba no, cause a problem and what Ghana ni na ya Asante for dia. Then the Asantes also have the right to claim Ghana. Say Ghana ye di entu amompa mo obi amanenko. Anamebwa. Cause you ne bo na yina. Anapacho enye sa na tie bio. They talk no sense. They talk foolishly. That stupid Taylor boy talks foolishly. And this I will say Ghana problem ni na ya Asante for dia. Nen ye Ghana ya Asante for dia entimu nya momo. Na muntu nko bukurom obi ansma mo se momra. Ma Jimmy. It would only happen in Ghana. Me say Sankwasi asem we Mr. Cynthia, it would only happen in Ghana. Togo ha foolish thing like this will not happen. Hell no. Me Dagombe ni. We the Dagombes, we have our traditions. Utie, me I Igbeni, ye I before ye were tradition and many G even those that meba hono, many G so much. Many G ya say me who minu anu me before this time no man fan kobo anye mahama so. No more display na no more show ni ame bi na say to me wo baby. Ah Ghana. Charlie, I love you at Ghana. Wherever you are, I love you. Thank you for letting me be a Ghanaian. Ghana, I love you for recruiting my parent and my grandparent so that I become Ghanaian. Look at the cultures. Hey, Asante for bana sikejo kofi tayechi. Minim se mo share independent yina say be e course na. Asante for ba sikejo kofi tanechi. Ene ye nya nkomade. Hey, Bunu East for ba omu kromne ama. Just say obie show something. Ah, you are not proud of this. Even the white man who has no history is proud of what they call their culture. Now Siampeni to Ghana 66 years as a political party. Sa Kevin Taylor and a Chile Munyansa. Chini Jonas and a Chile Munyansa. Na mono sebi Jimieno, ye said that the bomudia And I say you touch it chema. Because Kevin Taylor is in America. And then Tokwesi Ghana, he's not part of it. Nebo repo and yashi. Utie, and Tokwesi Ghana, Kevin Taylor, oh, niho, no abekubi. But who NDC ni kwasi ampeni na wojo inse na oka no kurache ye dia obo botrima kun cause wajimi. Utie. Who NDC ni na ye dia hye utirimu se kwa abontin ko ye gidigidi no ye dia obo utirimu se pe ekun na Kevin Taylor tie brochire di bro ni twa kwase a wajimi. Mume ya njini o. Ghana is only one. Whether NDC or MPP, we only have one Ghana. And I'm a girlfriend, Marie Bued was in the Hawaii Nina, or you're sorry. Because, or the Abufoke can't quasi someone not ancestors worker. And you people still follow the same. Ghana, NDC is the most stupidest party, I swear to God. Even when the people who are deceiving them come out to say they are your car and your buano, yes, still a one yejina. Come on, man. You are a fool. I'm sorry. And penny for motion, the moon fan chame, but oh my Jimmy. And penny for motion in there, and now Miss Ramo Minim independent, the Americans may be a gentle, but NDC for Jimmy. Now quite see me to way. Now about the measim. Now Obana Casaba catcher me say, me do see Kennedy because me impel. Now me sorry, I miss a Messiah Swiss Cadia commas all bad, and I said, one yaquasian penny, and dear Bionia fan fell. And this in one yaquasian penny, one more Bejrocas and Mahama, you're foolish. Because Sika with the man and call it. Now, no one can say about out. Abacasa Minier. I dear Bina me catch away share with Tribunal, and you throw. What's the medicine in the who are Jimmy for? Bibi Steve, welcome. Who are Jimmy for? Is that Cynthia? Or Nipano no car 70 children? Is that Cynthia? Or no about the catcher or say, the Okan Yano, and Yano Cre. What's the medicine in the chi? Walk was young penny, I'm sorry. Walk was young penny, Jagan, Jimmy for, and Nikwasa Ghana for, your Koji ID card, I would be. And so, train. Ye didn't join come my young car now do wako. Next sabi ye you skin no young skin no sa punching cause what Jimmy Elizabeth Sodoke says Sodike. Your political party NDC is the most useless, stupidest party that can ever be made. Because party and Yansafo me be an Jimmy for party on one constitution. Let me show you why you people are fools. If you want to know why I call NDC fools, NDC created the constitution. Where is my constitution? Oh, where is my constitution? Constitution. They wrote the constitution. Not the actual constitution. I say yes, I'm going to constitution. When you can see penny. Elizabeth Sodike, we didn't crash us away. Sodike, but what Jimmy? Obaja cheer or buy a do baller, so that is who you are. Because you and Yansania, Quasia Bamanada, some pel, what but finally a catcher or some pel. Still, I walk be a Nama and walk Quasian Penny, Elizabeth. As your confessor said, in Papa, where the atos was